These three laws of motion applied in soccer and everyday life.
First law of inertia.
Law of inertia. An object at rest will remain at rest unless a force moves it, and an object moving will continue at a constant velocity unless a force acts on it.
When James kicks the ball starts to move in the direction where it is kicked. What is stopping the ball from continuing at the direction is William's foot, which makes the ball stationary for a split second. This proves that the ball will continue at the same direction if William's foot is not stopping it. Start of the video is the ball is stationary, and when William runs up to kick the ball, the force is generated to the ball, so the ball is moved forward. When the ball is in the motion, the ball is continuing to move until the ball has been stopped by an object.
What happens in this clip is when Mark is moving towards Bailey, Bailey is in the way, so Mark can't continue to moving in that direction. This therefore is the first law because Mark is the object, is moving forwards and Bailey the force stopping Mark from moving forwards. This happens when Bailey tackles Mark.
Second law. Force equals mass times acceleration.
Acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. The greater the mass, the greater the amount of force needed to accelerate the object.
William uses less force to accelerate his body because he is lighter, whilst Bailey uses more force to accelerate his body because he is heavier. This is due to mass.
The ball accelerates when the crosser crosses the ball by applying force upon impact, and when headed either accelerates or decelerates.
Third law.
For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction.
When the ball was shot at the goal with an amount of force, the keeper hits it out to save the goal, which creates the same amount of force returning to the player. When two people barge into each other, the force applied comes back in the same way. When we bounce the tennis ball with force to the ground, the same force applied to the tennis ball comes back up.
Thank you for listening.